Okay, this is lesson 15 of hands-on equation. The last time in lesson 14, you learned how to do some more problems using your convenient zero and putting zeros on either side of your balance so that you could do your legal moves. Today, we're simply going to learn about negative x. We already know that x is our blue pawn, and you can probably guess, since what we've been talking about over the last couple of lessons, we've been talking about star. And we always talked about how star and x cancel each other out. So if this is x, this must be negative x. So we have this equals negative x. So in this equation, I can simply set it up as 2x plus negative x plus 3 equals 2. Okay, so as I was saying, had to take a little pause. You can just simply set it up knowing that this is star, or you can just rewrite the problem if that's easier for you and say 2x plus star plus 3 equals, this would be 2 star, because this is 2 times negative x, 2 star plus 15. And then I can just set it up on the scale and solve it just like I would have before. So 2x plus a star, or plus a negative x, plus 3 equals 2 star, or 2 negative x, plus 15. And I'm not going to take you through the legal moves that you need to do to solve this, because you should already know them, but you should end up with x. I'm just going to rewrite it over here. X equals 4, or star, and negative x would then equal negative 4. And your check, you should get that 7 equals 7. And yes, that is true. So try this one. Just try setting it up and solving it and seeing what you get. 2x minus negative x plus 4 equals 2 times negative x plus x. Now, it might be easier for you to rewrite this using star, because here we have minus a negative x. Notice how they wrote the negative x in parentheses to keep the subtraction and the negative symbol separate. So if you need to rewrite this, just think to yourself, well, this is 2x minus, you still have to bring down the subtraction sign, star plus 4 equals 2 times star. So just 2 star plus x. Go ahead and solve for x and star. Okay, here's what you should get when you set it up on your scale. Then you should get that x equals negative 1, the negative x equals 1, and your check is 1 equals 1. Try the next one. There's the end of your school day. So here we go. Let's try this one. 2 negative x plus negative x equals 10 plus a negative x. So set that up and solve the equation. Okay. Now in this equation, there actually aren't any x's. It's just all stars. So you should end up with 3 star equals 10 plus star, and when you solve it, you should get that negative x equals 5, and your check is 15 equals 15. Now, the practice problems for this lesson, for some reason, did not get loaded correctly onto the Shutterfly page. So if you just want to pause the video, and you can do all of these equations. Let me get it so all the problems are in the screen. all of these equations on a separate sheet of paper, you can do that. So go ahead and pause it and you can practice with all of these equations. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me.